Good morning, everybody. So we are back on the Pierre Cardin. Gonna start doing some button up, get the last of the valve covers on so that we're all taken care of. We got the new EGR valve on. Unfortunately, we thought the old one was good. We did another pressure check to it and oh my God, I just went brain dead. The rubber baffle inside was no good. Somehow it's got a rupture in it. But it's old, so I mean, it is what it is. So today, we're gonna start getting everything back together again, get the last little bit back on, and see if we can't, hopefully, if all goes well today, we'll get it running. Can't wait, guys. Short video, got a lot going on, but I'll keep you updated as soon as I can. All right, Merry Christmas. And here we are back again on the Pierre Cardin. One of my favorite cars. So now, we are sorry as I get myself organized here. There we go. So we're going to get the air conditioning bracket on, but I got to clean everything up real quick. And make sure I get this taken care of properly. So it's going to be here and there. Okay, so let's get this cleaned up and our other bracket cleaned up so that we can get everything back together again like it needs to be. So, okay, just a quickie update and I'll move along and just randomly stop and play. All right, see you guys on the next clip.